Find the 10th term of harmonic progression. We have given first term 3 over 8, second 3 over 11, third 3 over 14, and so on. So first, what is harmonic progression? A sequence is called harmonic progression if the reciprocals of its terms form arithmetic progression. So let's see what we have here. If we write reciprocals of the terms, of given terms, what we will have? Reciprocal of 3 over 8 will be 8 over 3. 3 over 11 will be 11 over 3. 3 over 14 will be 14 over 3. So now let's check if this is arithmetic progression. We know that in arithmetic progression the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. If we take, let's write that this is our first term, a1, a2, and a3, the third term. The difference between a2 and a1 must be the same like between a2 and a3. So the common difference is a2 minus a1 and should be equal to a3 minus a2 when this is arithmetic progression. So a2 is 11 over 3 minus a1 is 8 over 3 and should be equal to a3 is 14 over 3 and a2 is 11 over 3. Difference of fractions, the same denominator, so we copy denominator and we subtract numerators. 11 minus 8 is 3 and should be equal to the right side. Again, difference of fractions, denominator the same, so we copy the numerator. 14 minus 11 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is equal 1. So we have here arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression. The difference d, we can write that d is equal what? We calculate that the difference between consecutive terms a2 and a1 is what? 1. So d is 1. We have the first term a1 is 8 over 3. When we have first term and the common difference, we can calculate. In this example, we need to find the 10th term of harmonic progression. So when we calculate the 10th term of arithmetic progression, and we will find the reciprocal of 10th term of arithmetic progression, we will have the 10th term of harmonic progression, because like one more time, the sequence is called harmonic progression if the reciprocals of its terms form arithmetic progression. So we will find the 10th term of arithmetic progression, we will take a reciprocal of this term, and we will have 10th term of harmonic progression. So we will have to find a 10, the 10th term of arithmetic progression. Let me remind you formula. When we have first term and common difference d, the formula for the n term of arithmetic progression is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. In our example, we have d, a1, and n is equal 10 because we have to find the 10th term. So let's substitute to this formula everything what we have given. Let me copy one more time. Maybe this a1 will be plus n is 10 minus 1 times d. So a10 what will be? a1 we have that this is a over 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, and d we calculate that this is 1. So this is equal 8 over 3 plus 9 times 1 is 9. because we have given here fractions, so we will change this to fraction, because 8 over 3 plus 9 is 9, 8 over 3. So this is equal. The denominator is 3, we copy. We have here mixed numbers, so we will change to a proper fraction. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 8 is 35. So we calculate the 10th term of arithmetic progression. This is 35 over 3. And now, because we need to find the 10th term of our harmonic progression, we have to take the reciprocal of our 10th term of arithmetic progression. So the reciprocal, what will be? 3 over 35. So 3 over 35 is our 10th term of harmonic progression. This is my solution.